Hi guys, it's Prabhjot, but you can call me Prab. I'm your international ambassador from Bahrain and I'm doing my 4th year here at Brock in Biomedical Sciences. There are several reasons for you to choose Brock. However, today I wanted to share why I chose Brock to start off my journey. The main feature that excited me about my program was the fact that Brock is one of the very few universities in Ontario that provides you a hands-on opportunity in research for your final year. Specifically in my program, I'm given the option to do a thesis with a faculty member whose research I'm interested in. This is a great way for you to familiarize yourself with the research field and make an informed decision on your postgrad. My next step after my biomedical degree would be looking into a master's program here at Brock in Applied Health Sciences and later pursuing and continuing that with an MD PhD program. My most memorable experience that I can definitely say is being a volunteer teaching assistant at an anatomy lab where I went hands-on teaching different students on different anatomical parts. If I had to give an advice on the incoming students here who are considering Brock is not to be afraid to seek help, whether that would be emotional, physical, mental, whatever it is. You know that there are resources out there who want you to succeed as a student and as a person, so don't be afraid to ask for help.